What if the secret to effortlessly managing your projects and recalling information instantly was hidden right inside your OneNote? Prepare to have your mind blown as we unveil how Copilot isn't just integrated, it's transforming OneNote into an intelligent hub that works for you. Get ready to discover how to leverage Copilot AI to organize your notes, generate content, and automate tasks like you've never seen before. Okay, right now I'm inside my OneNote. Okay, so go to your OneNote home tag. Okay, and you can see a Copilot right over here. So this is the home page. All you need is just click this Copilot. You'll open up the windows right over here. Now I'm going to show you that how powerful is this Copilot function inside OneNote. Let's say I have a notes like okay, all the scribbling, I have all this on my notes. Okay, yeah. So what can I do is that I can here says that summarize the key points and learnings from this page in bullet list. And let's see how it's summarized for me. Yeah. It is done right now. And then you have all this. Okay. So all the key things that are right is all the gibbering and all this thing is basically uh, about how to create apps, right? So how you use how to write the code to generate the PDF, useful resources, blah blah blah, all the key information. Now I write this down because here I'm not trained programmer. So while create these apps, and these are some of the key things, right? I write down. So it'll summarize it for me right over here. Okay. Now it can also turn it into a guide. Let's try turn it into a guide and maybe a checklist. Okay. Let's see how it creates. Yeah. All right. So now it create all this. Okay. Overview and then all this basically in a checklist format, right? And then if you like, I can turn this into a download. Okay. Then you just convert to downloadable PDF. Okay, all this it will take some times, right? It'll take some times to come out, but it's kind of like maybe 10, 20 seconds. Yeah. And you got a downloadable file. And I can basically have this file. Yeah. Now what I will do is we go to my folder and then I can drag and drop. I can put it right over here. Insert a printout. Okay. So I'm close this, and you can see here, I got the file right over here. Yep. So then I can refer to it later on. Although there's some error right over here, like it has bullet. It's a bullet, supposed to be a dot. I mean, these are very early stage. Yeah. Now, this is the first time I saw that it come like a bullet list, but most of the time it got it right. If you're not, then try ask it to generate again. Yeah. So you see that it summarized the whole page. I'm okay. All the messy notes that I have right over here, you can see. Yeah. Also here, this is another page. So you can move it around. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is that in your project, let's say you got a project. Example, you got a project like this. Okay. And let me open up a little bit bigger. Okay, so now these are simple template from the OneNote itself. Well, OneNote, you have all these templates. Sorry, in here, page templates. Okay, inside the page templates, you got all these academic templates, blank business project overview. So this is basically the project overviews templates. Yeah. So and now, once you use this, then you just fill in. Okay. Now, this is some example that I already put in for some of my clients. Then you got a description, your project goals, team resources, your improvement flow, schedule, start date, end date, and what are the documents for reference. Okay. Now, when you have that, right? So what I can do is that I will show you these are pretty organized. Let's say I want to do the same thing, summarize the key points, and create a task list. So right now, let's say here I don't have a task list. Okay, I have the flow, but if I want a task list, right, I don't want to crack my head. Then I'll say to create a task list that I can use to kickstart the process. Okay, let's see how it comes up with that for me. Okay, now it come out, and you can see that basically all this is almost the same, right? So I believe there are some errors right now here. Okay, right over here with some of the code. Okay, but basically it kind of like the summary because this is already pretty summarized, right? Clean. But what I show you here is that you see it here, kickstart task list. Yeah, it's following my improvement flow assessment. Yeah, assessment, and it tells you to do what, right? And then you have what, right? Root cause analysis, value state. If overstock is driven by what, right? Current slotting strategies, solution development. Okay, it's follow exactly this: pilot run, review, SOP, full implementation. Right now, it can say that hey, I want to convert this into a Gantt chart timeline. All right, so here I can do this. Ta-da! Now you see that it actually comes out with a so-called Gantt chart, which is downloadable. Yeah, you can basically see this here. Okay, and I can basically take this Gantt chart and then put it right over here. Yeah, or I can use this for my presentation to the management and so on. Right. So here you can read my mind, right? So you can create a PDF version, or you can create a PowerPoint slides, right? So, all right, then let's say I want to create a PowerPoint slide with the Gantt chart. Okay, the purpose of the slide is to present to the top management for them to approve this improvement project. Let's see how Copilot can do this presentation for us. Okay, so now it is done. Now it is done, but looks like it has some problem, right? So you can tell it to regenerate the PowerPoint again. Yeah. And then it even tells you that what additional slides should be put in, right? Regenerate the point file again. Okay, now just open the file. All right. Now basically it just give me the one page slide, which is not what I want. Okay. So what I can do is that, yeah. So the most important thing is, let's say, generate a presentation outline. Okay. So basically what I want is, right here you can preview. Nope, it's not what I want. I want to tell them the purpose is to present to the top management for approval. General outline with the purpose of, okay. Now you cannot generate your presentation, at least it gives you the outline, right? And there's a lot of other tools you can use to generate the so-called PowerPoint, right? But the most important is the idea. So you can see that here from here, it can gives you all the key important stuff. All right, so you got all your slides. If you want to have the kickstart meeting, I can even ask it to draft for me an email, right? Draft an email for me, okay, to invite the team members to the kickstart meeting, okay, with a clear agenda. Meeting date is, let's say, scan April 6, 3 p.m. in the wall room 2. Okay, do you see that? So it gives you all the information, your email, so that you can just copy and paste and then change whether it's necessary, right? Yeah. So now I hope this short video will show you how to use the Copilot with your notes inside the OneNote, right? Because you already written your notes and you don't have to worry it's messy and so on. It can basically summarize it for you, okay, as I just show you, and then it can helps you to create those like slides, minutes, reports that normally you use all this information for, right? Now, let me know what ideas or any one of you have tried this, and if you have any good use cases, do share with us in the comment area. Now, if you like this type of video, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you'll be notified. And this is Andrew. I'll see you real soon in my next video.